Today in Algebra 1, Chapter 3, Section 7, we're going to be solving percent problems. Let's break a few things down before we get started. Percent means per hundred. Okay, percent means per hundred. Like the word cent, the base word there is cent, like century has 100 years. It takes 100 cents to make a dollar. Okay, so cent means 100. Okay, also when we talk about per hundred, if we want to talk about the decimal, it's 0.01. That holds your hundredths column right there. Your hundredths place value is in the second to the right of the decimal. Okay, so that's going to be important when we start converting decimals into your percents and your percents into your decimals. Okay, that's per hundred. So if you had this decimal 0.36, what that really is 36 hundredths, okay? 36 hundredths. Okay, when you see it like that, that's 36 per hundred, which means 36%. Okay, so 0.36 means 36 hundredths, which means 36%. Okay, so anything that has two decimal places, to change it into the percent, we're going to move it 2 places to the right. Okay, on the flip side of that, if we started with 36% and we needed the decimal from that, we would know that 36% means 36 per hundred, and that decimal is 0.36. So you go back and forth depending on what you need to be doing. Okay, let's look at an example. It says, what percent of 25 is 17? All right, let's look at this. Anytime in math you see the what, that means that's where you're going to put your variable. Okay, of means to multiply, and is means equal. So let's write an equation from this right here. What percent, x, that's what we're looking for, right? That's what it's asking for. Of means to multiply, 25 is 17. Okay, so now all we have to do is solve for x. X is being multiplied by 25, so you're going to divide by 25. Okay, let's look at a second example. Okay, what number, okay, remember that's our x, is means equals 15%, remember we're changing that into a decimal, 0.15, of means to multiply, 88. Okay, there's your equation. Now all we have to do is solve that. 0.15 times 88, and we get 13.2. So x equals 13.2. So we'll put that back in and we can read it. 13.2 is 15% of 88. Okay, so here are a few things that we are going to take away from this video that will probably be on the quiz tomorrow, more than likely. Okay, is means equals. Okay, the word is means that it's equal. That's going to be on our test tomorrow. Of means to multiply. That's a key word. Okay, test, quiz tomorrow. When you see the word what, okay, you're going to stick your variable in right there. That's a quiz item for tomorrow. Okay, percents have to be turned into decimals before you can multiply. So, for example, you might have 23%. Okay, 23% means 23 per hundred. 23%, 23 per hundred. And that decimal is 23 hundredths, 0.23, 23 hundredths. Okay, now remember, you can also go back the other direction. When you get the percent, you might need to get the, when you get the decimal, you might need to get the percent, which means if you had 0.23, we'll just go exactly opposite. That means 23 hundredths, which means 23%. So you can go either direction in and out of that. Okay, I would know how to convert maybe something like that for a quiz tomorrow. Okay, y'all have the best day ever.